Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will have a activity that seeks to classify some of the numbers here. So let's take a look. We have numbers 1 to 15 and we have listed out all their factors. And so for number 1, as you can see, you only have one factor. So number of factors here will be 1. And for number 2, let me just try to list out all the factors that have 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this one is 2. This one is 2 factors. And this one would be 1, 2, 3. Two. This one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is more than 2. As I continue, you will start to see that, okay, I'm trying to do something, okay? And this one will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is 3 factors. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 4. 1, 2. This one is 6, just to highlight so that you can start to see that I'm trying to break into 3 groups. This one is 2. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you can see 3 colors, right? So now, how can we then divide in terms of the number of factors into groups A, B, C? So yep, the first group A, if you can see, I could actually, group A will be the group where the number of factors equals to only 1. And the example will be would be one. And if you notice, for group B, then these are the group of numbers where the number of factors equals to 2. And the examples include 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. And for the last group are the number of factors where it is more than 2. And the example for this would be 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. And so we have these 3 groups already. And there are special names given to them, actually. So for the group that only has 2 factors, we call them the prime number, which is a whole number that is greater than 1. and it only has two factors, which is 1 and the number itself. So the first 10 prime numbers which will be useful is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. And it is interesting to note that 2 is actually coincidentally the only even prime number. So this is something special for you all to take note of. As for the group that has more than 2 factors, we call them the composite number. And it is a whole number again. It must be greater than 1 because 1 is in its own special group. And it has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. This one is only 2 factors. And the first 10 composite number, just for our reference, would be 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 18. And that concludes this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.